Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete Eventbrite account. To delete your Eventbrite account, these are the steps that you can take. First, go to eventbrite.com and log in with your account credentials. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner displayed with your email address. Be provided with a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select account settings. And that's going to walk you into the account settings page, which we'll be in shortly. In the account settings page, look for a close account option that is located on the left navigation menu. So at the right to the left navigation menu, find contact info, contact email, change email, password, create and debit cards, and down to developer links. Now click on close account to begin the account deletion process. Eventbrite will prompt you with information about closing your account. So first it says you must have a password associated with your account prior to being able to close it. I do not have a password, but just go ahead and click on set password and follow the process to create your password. I don't have a password because I opened my Eventbrite account with Google. But let's say you have already set your password. Then you'll see an information about closing your account, such as you will no longer be able to access your event, tickets, or others. You will lose any data associated with your account, example, event data and attendee details. And if you have any pending events or others, make sure to address them before proceeding. After reviewing the information, click Close Account to confirm the deletion of your Eventbrite account. Eventbrite may send a confirmation email to your registered email address. Follow any instructions in the email to complete the process if applicable. Once the account is deleted, you will no longer have access to your Eventbrite account or any associated data. Once deleted, your account and data cannot be recovered. If you have an active event, make sure to cancel or transfer any responsibilities before proceeding with the account deletion. By following these steps, you successfully delete your Eventbrite account. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.